Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to compare VS Code versus PyCharm and figure out which one is better in 2025. If we're coding in Python or building projects, this guide will help you decide. Let's start with VS Code. It's a lightweight, free code editor by Microsoft that supports tons of extensions. You can customize it for Python, web development, or almost any language. It's fast, flexible, and perfect if you like a simple setup that grows with your needs. Now, PyCharm made by JetBrains is a full IDE built specifically for Python. It has smart code completion, debugging, testing tools, and project management all in one. PyCharm's professional version even supports web frameworks and databases, making it ideal for serious Python developers. So, which one is better? If you want speed, flexibility, and free editor that handles multiple languages, VS Code is the way to go. But if you're focused on Python and want a powerful, all-in-one IDE, PyCharm is the stronger choice. Thanks for watching this VS Code versus PyCharm 2025 guide. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and comparisons. See you in the next one.